Welcome, in front of me is a Xiaomi Pad 6 and today I will show you how you can enable and set up your Do Not Disturb mode. So to get started, we're gonna begin by pulling down our toggles, which you do by swiping down from the top of your screen. This will reveal a bunch of toggles right here, and obviously we're looking for the Do Not Disturb toggle. Now if you don't see it on the first page, you can swipe to the left and this will show you a second page where the toggle is located for me. I believe this is the default location of them, so in your case you probably should see it on the same page, in the same exact location, but if you don't, just look somewhere. It should be somewhere. For me it is right over here. And it's labeled as DND, short for Do Not Disturb. Now once you see this toggle, you can hold it first time around and this will take you to the settings. And in here, obviously we can customize how it will function. Now I'll go over the more important options and just kind of like skip over any kind of other one that might not be as useful. Obviously you can go over them, all of them yourself, and tweak them to fit your exact preferences. Now, starting off, we have silent mode and silent media and silent mode, which are basically two different options for Do Not Disturb mode. Not exactly sure which one will be prioritized when you enable the actual Do Not Disturb mode. But then we have additional settings right here. And we also have additional settings under the actual Do Not Disturb. Okay, so actually this answers my question. There is one Do Not Disturb mode and then there are some additional options right here that would kind of act like a Do Not Disturb mode, but the toggle itself that we've seen right here, this one, caters only to this section right here. Now, there is almost no settings in here, which is very surprising. So we have a Do Not Disturb. You can toggle it on or off, which now that it's enabled, you can also see that it's enabled right here. Boy, that notification sound is absolutely annoying. Anyway, moving down the options, we have while device is locked. So this mode, if you have this enabled and this, it will only function when you're not using your device. And then below that we have a schedule mode, which allows you to set it up so the Do Not Disturb mode turns on and off automatically based on the provided day of the week, and start and end time, which you can see right here. I'm gonna close it. Actually, take it back. I'm gonna create it because if you're planning to use it, I want to point out you need to toggle it on in here. That's the only thing that you would be toggling on if you're planning to use schedule. The device will do everything else for you. So there we go. Those are basically all the settings. Because in here we just have toggles which I believe aren't necessarily associated with Do Not Disturb mode. So yeah, it's a very limited kind of amount of settings that you have for the Do Not Disturb mode. Now with that being said, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.